Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to screen mirror your Android phone to your Chromecast. Mirroring your Android screen to Chromecast is a very easy process and is one of the big reasons why the Chromecast is so popular. However, there are a few things you need to do before you can use this feature. The first requirement for you to be able to screen mirror your Android device is to be running Android 5.0 or later. This should not be a problem as most people are running Android 8.0 and above. Next, you need to turn off power saving mode on your Android device. Usually the setting for this will be available when you drag down for the notification drawer. As you can see, I have power saving mode turned off on my device. Next, you need to give microphone permission to the Google Services app. This permission is required for some reason, and if you do not turn it on, screen mirroring will immediately disconnect. So open Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. On the app screen, scroll down and tap on Google Play Services. Next, scroll down and tap on Permissions. Find the microphone setting and turn it on if it is not already turned on. If it's already turned on, you are good to go. Lastly, make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Chromecast. Now finally, you're ready to screen mirror your Android phone to your Chromecast. Open the Google Home app. If you do not have the Google Home app, you need to download it in order to mirror your Android screen to your Chromecast. Upon opening the Google Home app, you will be taken to the app's home screen. On this screen, tap on the Chromecast you want to mirror to. Now from the bottom, tap on Cast My Screen. You will see a pop-up that may also say your device is not optimized for casting. Usually it says this message for most devices except pure stock Android devices. However, in my experience on a Samsung device, the screen mirroring feature has been flawless. So from the pop-up, simply tap on Cast Screen. From the second pop-up, tap on Start Now. Your Android screen will now be mirrored onto your TV. Anything you do on your Android phone will also be displayed on your TV. So any apps you open or videos you play will play on your TV as well. You can also control the volume on your TV using the volume buttons on your Android phone. To stop casting your screen, open the Google Home app, tap on your Chromecast, and then from the bottom, tap on Stop Mirroring. You can also stop mirroring your screen by opening the notification tray and tapping on the little drop-down icon beside the cast notification. And then tapping on Disconnect. And that's it for this video. If this video helped you out, please hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos like this. Also like and share this video.